In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Finelo app and how do you trade with Finelo. So as you may know, Finelo is a platform, it's an educational platform designed to teach like beginners about trading, investing, personal finance through bite-sized and interactive lessons. So it gives you a 28-day trading challenge with AI powered chat analysis and a total risk-free virtual simulator to practice the strategies and focusing on building the financial literacy rather than providing financial advice. So what we're going to do firstly is you're going to go and get the app to access Finelo. So open your Play Store or App Store and then search for Finelo. So search for Finelo and you will get to this app here. So tap on it and just install it on your phone. So once you've installed it, you're going to go and click on open, launch it. And once you launch it, now here it's going to ask you whether if you have an account or you want to create an account. So if you're a new user, just click on create new account. And now it's going to ask you this question here. You will be on the screen. So have you traded before? You can say yes or no depending on your preference. So I'll just put no. Okay, and then plug in your age. So I'll just put my age and then you can hit on continue, and here choose your goal. So what's your goal? So you can just choose that. So I'll just put like passive income, and what is your current income source? So you can just say that. Okay, so how would you describe your financial situation? So you can just choose and answer these questions. These questions are like a quiz, so they just help you to set up your trading challenge. So you can just answer them. Okay, and hit on continue. And the next question is money a barrier to living the life you truly want? Yeah, you can say that sometimes. Do you want to retire wealthy? Yes. Okay. And then how confident are you about your financial future? You can just answer these questions based on your preference. There's no right or wrong answers, just do that. And then hit on continue. And then do you feel FOMO, which is fear of missing out when you see others making money? Sometimes. Do you know anything about trading? You can say any of these, like depending on your experience, you can say. Okay, so you can just choose that. And then what scares you most about trading? Obviously losing money. And then what interests you the most about trading? So I would say growing my wealth. And then hit on continue. And are you interested in trading specific companies or industries? And then you can just choose that, or you can just put no in general. Okay, do you currently use any of the trading platforms or tools? No. And then click on continue. And what's your income goal from trading? And you can just answer that question. And how do you plan to use extra income from trading? You can just say to save for a purchase or something. Yep, you can do that. Are you ready to start trading now? Yes. Okay, so it's give you how ready you are. It gives you a score for that. Hit on continue. And now, do you have any specific or special goals related to trading? Or you can just choose yes or whatever you feel like it. So I will just put yes, I want more strategies. Then how much time can you commit to trading each week? So I can say each week a few hours, that's fine. And now it's going to create your personal challenge, so trading challenge. So once it has created it, it will show you how to, like, you can access the challenge and everything. So last question, how did you hear about Finelo? So you can just say probably Google. Okay, here on continue. And then yep, you can send notifications if you want to, and that's it. Hit on continue. And then now here you go to like get a plan. So you initially you have a 3-day free trial, which if you want you can just try that, or there's a monthly payment here which you can choose that. So either one that works best for you, you can just do that. I'll just put 3 days free for now. I'm going to try that. Hit on it and then click on it. So now once that's done, so here it's going to ask you whether you want an AI coach. You can skip that, that's fine. And then just go to the next screen here. So now you're going to start up with the challenge. So hit on continue. and then pick your starting point to begin. So you can just choose your point based on your experience. So I'm just probably, I would say, getting familiar. That's fine. I'm committed, and then it's going to build your lessons that you need to complete every day and all those things. Hit on continue, 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 and then now tap and hold to start the intention. So that's it. Do that, and yep, I've already created the account, and there you go. Your challenge has now been set. All you have to do is hit on join now, and you will start building your lessons for your challenge and everything. So it will do that, and then once that's done, you will get to the screen here. Okay, so that's your first lesson. That's fine. Okay, just tap on it. Okay, you can start the lessons and everything. And okay, so once you have set up everything, you will get to the screen here. So this is where your home screen is. So you have all your learning overviews here, so you can check that, all your learning overviews. And here you have the tools tab here, where you can use the AI tools and everything to analyze. So if you want to analyze any chat, you can tap on the analyze now button and start analyzing it. And here is your portfolio, okay, and what your assets and everything, all those details are here. So if you would like to buy assets, all you have to do is click on buy assets, okay, and here you have all the list of stocks here. So if you click on stocks, it will show you all the list of stocks. If you're interested in crypto, you can click on crypto and you can look into crypto. So for example, stocks, let's say Apple Inc. If you select it here, it will show you all the Apple market related stock, and you can analyze this. So you can use this AI to do that. If you click on analyze this asset, so the AI will do a analyze for you. So you can choose the time frame to analyze, probably like 15 minutes, get insights. So now it's going to do the job for you. It's going to do all the pricing chats and all those things. Hit on I, and there you go. So it has given you a review on analysis report, the key insights and everything, the performance and all those things, which you can look into this. And if you want to save it, you can save this report too. And once you have done with the analyze and all those things, if you want to buy a stock or anything, if you have decided, you can hit on buy option here, and then from here you can enter the amount that you wish to buy and everything, okay, and then hit on buy and complete the purchase. So that's how you can buy the stocks and every way you can access your profile settings and your learning overviews. You can check your progress and all those things, and you have a settings here on your top right where you can change your passwords or your account details, subscriptions, change everything. You can do all those things. So basically that's actually what it is. That's basically Finelo is like a strictly an educational tool. It does not provide tips or manage investments, so use it wisely. Okay, so especially for beginners who are looking for structure, those people can use this platform wisely to do that. It's designed to make financial education engaging and accessible, aiming to transfer users from beginners into a confident and informed investors. That's the main purpose of this Finelo, and I hope this information video helps.